Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, I still think this is a 1-2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. We are at the 78%. I mean, it definitely could possibly turn right there. I still believe that it has more upside potential looking at all JPY pairs, and I think eventually it will end the wave 3, make a big correction for the wave 4, and then go back up and make a wave 5, most likely making its way all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected at the bottom of what I believe to be an ABC of B, probably all the way up to about the 203 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, ever since we ended this correction back here, this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3, I believe. Like I said, we are at the 78%, but we already had one pullback at this area. So if it does, break out of this area, I'm definitely going to call it a solid break, and I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. On the other hand, if it does go down, if it does break structure, that would probably tell me that this trend is over, probably the end of a wave 3. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, to me, I'm still definitely very, very bullish on this. I still don't see any lower high. I don't see any break of structure. We already bounced off this fib once, so I think there's a good chance that second time we will break out and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to that 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of high, low, high, low, high, low. Looks to me like this move down right here could definitely end up being a correction. So if it goes down to a Fibonacci level after making like 3 waves down, makes a nice impulsive move to the upside, then that would be exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, anybody trading on the 1 hour and below, I mean, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now. I think there's a wave A in here someplace, and this like flat correction right here could even be a wave B. I bet it is going to go down more, probably to at least one of these lower Fibonacci levels to make a wave C, which really it could go to any one of those fib levels. I usually do look left to see which one has the most support, and I think the 61.8 and the 50 definitely have a decent amount of support, but also the 78 also does. So I think one of these 3 Fibonacci levels, if I see a nice bounce, a nice break of structure, then that's definitely going to be what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, all the higher time frames are telling us the trend is up. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.